let's try to render the image we read from the file. So for canvas, let's try to render that. First of all, the G object is actually graphics 2G objects. So we have done so far many times graphics 2D 2G, typecast that, and graphics 2G is from Java AWT package there. Then graphics 2D has a draw image method. So first argument is the image file. So image store, we have defined the static member there. And second parameter is null. That's buffered image operation, so we don't need that. X location and Y location. Remember that in graphics, the upper left corner is always the reference, so it's going to draw upper left corner at 50-50. So let's try to run that in main program. Let me clear the terminal to see any error messages. So run. Interface demo, we have image load error that comes from this part. So we have some error. Actually, you can see the details of what's happening from IO exception is actually occurred. So what actually happened is that the file location cannot be identified. As just a simple guess, the program image store.java is the same location with image files, so that as we read from this file name only, since the program is at the same location, so there should be no problem with that. But however, the program actually starts in main program here. The main program is on the top of the project folder, but image folder is inside the model and the like. So there should be some path issue. To check that, you can do as follows. Before we read the image, let's just execute some commands to read what is the current working directory if the program runs. That is from system class get property method, we can give user.dir. Then as a program runs at this moment, the current working directory, the directory program is running, you can read that. So system.out.println current working directory cwd there, and then let's give just a line break. And then let's run it. Run interface demo. We have a current working directory is this one. So current project folder is lesson4. Lesson4 is the working directory. So it's not inside the images. So as I told you, because the main program runs on the top of the project folder, so top of the project folder is the working location. So from here, you cannot find the airplane or other images. So you need to give a path from the top of the project folder. Subfolder name is a model, and then images is the folder structure to get to these image files. So path should be given like that, not with respect to the current code, but with respect to the starting point of execution. So let's test now. Interface demo. So image is now successfully displayed or rendered on the canvas.